FX swaps as offshore shadow money. A foreign exchange swap, by definition, involves an FX spot transaction with a simultaneous FX forward transaction in the opposite direction. Two counterparties agree to change, example Euro and USD, today and reverse the transaction at an agreed upon point of time in the future. In this, FX swap can also be seen as a loan in one currency versus a simultaneous deposit in another currency for the same maturity and with the same counterparty. FX swap have for a long time received relatively little attention, both in the scholarly and regulatory discourse, or in the relevant textbook. Knowledge about them remain mainly implicit among the trading community. More recently, however, FX swap have been attributed an increased relevance, especially due to their conceptual ambiguity as they can be seen both as derivatives, e.g., to hedge against FX risk, and money market instrument. Background talks with regulators, academics, and practitioners have revealed that contemporary assessment on the conceptual status and the functioning of FX swaps are often fundamentally different, if not contradictory. The main point of this agreement is whether issuing FX swap is a form of credit creation or not. Formally, using prevailing accounting rules, FX swaps do not expand balance sheet. By contrast, Borio, argued that FX swaps are functionally equivalent to other money market instruments such as loan and securities, and effectively create debt-like obligation. However, those obligations are not recorded on balance sheet. Therefore, the debt is effectively missing. According to their estimation, this could amount to around 10.7 trillion US dollar per day for the USD alone. Posar in this context suggests to comprehend FX swap as an instrument similar to repos, the only difference being that foreign currency is used as collateral instead of treasury bond. The FX swap may then be represented as a swap of IOUs, effectively bringing forth promises to pay. In this regard, an FX swap effectively creates on private banks' balance sheet what happens on public balance sheets via central bank swaps. These arguments combine the conceptual ambiguity of FX swap, their hidden credit character, the swap of IOUs logic, and the repo analogy, point towards an interpretation of FX swap as another form of substitutes for onshore deposit, adopting a broad use of the shadow money concept and terminology. They may be seen as a distinct offshore form of shadow money. From a supply-side perspective, FX swap share the structural parallels to the creation of other credit money form through the swap of IOU logic. From a demand-side perspective, they are used as USD finding instruments. The key question, following the criteria of Murrow, is if they satisfy the criterion of par clearance vis-a-vis higher-ranking forms of money. This ultimately is a matter of their maturity, exchange rate development, and market sentiment. Why does it matter if we think of FX swap as shadow money or not? In Murrow, Hirini, and Haas, we develop scenarios for the future of the IMS by 2040. We argue that if the credit money system continues to expand as throughout recent decades in absence of a systemic financial crisis, FX swap, due to their opacity but also their resilience in the 2007-2009 financial crisis, may attain the key systemic role in the privatized USD system as the primary form of offshore shadow money.